Hello, in this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can fix limited PayPal account. First, I'm going to be showing you two methods on how you can fix this, okay? So the first thing you need to do is you want to log into your PayPal. By the way, this works on both devices, phone and your laptop or PC. So this works on all devices. Now, after you log into your PayPal, you want to click on the notifications icon in the top right, okay? Here, you will be able to see the reason for why PayPal limited your account, okay? Why they limited your account. Here, you will be able to see the reason after you click on the notifications icon. Here it says here, your account access is temporarily limited. We want to confirm that the information in your PayPal account is accurate, as we noticed some suspicious activity in your account. So what you need to do is you want to click on provide information. So as you can see, I am not able right now to pay using PayPal or send money or payments or receive money or payments or withdraw money from PayPal, or I can only refund money to customers. Now, as you can see, for now, they are only requesting the photo ID. Now, this may be different for your account. They may request other documents. Like if you see something different here, you don't know what to provide, you just need to let me know in the comments exactly what they are asking you for, and then I will tell you exactly how you can find it. Okay, try to reply to everyone, so just let me know in the comments any problem you have, and they will try to help you fix it. Now, if it's just a photo ID, just click on resolve, and then after that you want to select on document type, and then you can choose passport or driver license or national identity card, which is like the ID card, and then make sure you upload the ID card here. Okay, just click on drag and drop, and then you will be able to click here on browse files, and then you will be able to find the ID card and then upload it here. Click on submit, and then wait a few hours, and then you will remove the limitation from your account. Okay, so another way is to call them directly. Okay, if it's something that needs attention, like something that is out of your control, you want to scroll down, open your PayPal, and scroll down, click on contact us. You will be able to find here like how you can call them. Okay, scroll down again. Okay, and then you can see here message us or call us. Okay, if you click on that, you will be able to call them directly, or you can message them, and then they can connect you with a real human that will go and check your account and tell you exactly what you need to do. Okay, it says here, please, I am your PayPal assistant, always here to help. I am still in the beta testing, so talking to you helps me learn. If I can't help you, I'll try to transfer you to a customer support agent, which is exactly what we want. You just need to talk to the robot, and then they will get you to someone who is going to check your account and then tell you exactly what you need to do. So I hope this tutorial helped you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Like I said, I try to reply to every single comment. Drop a like, that would be highly appreciated.